In the world of Bitcoin, you'll often hear people talk about private keys, public keys, seed phrases, and passphrases. It can sound complicated, but let's make it simple. These keys are like secret passwords that generate everything in your wallet, the addresses you use to receive Bitcoin, and the cryptographic signatures that let you send it. Imagine an infinite digital tree growing from a single seed. This seed is your seed phrase. Through a mathematical process, it generates countless branches, which are your keys and addresses. Each key has a specific role. The private key is used to sign transactions and prove that you own your Bitcoin. The public key and its derived address are what others use to send Bitcoin to you. When you transfer Bitcoin from one wallet to another, you're actually digitally signing a transaction with your private key. It's like adding your personal signature saying, "Yes, I authorize this payment." The Bitcoin network then verifies your signature before recording it permanently on the blockchain. So why does all this matter? Because only you are responsible for the Bitcoin you own. There are no banks, customer support teams, or insurance policies that can undo a mistake or reverse a transaction. Bitcoin is a decentralized and distributed system. Once your transaction is confirmed by the miners, it's final. That's the true power and the true cost of freedom in Bitcoin. You gain complete control over your money, but also full responsibility for keeping it safe. Storing your seed phrase securely, protecting your private keys, and double-checking every transaction. In Bitcoin, ownership equals responsibility. Every action you take is permanent, and every Bitcoin you hold is truly yours. So now that you understand what Bitcoin keys are and why they matter, let's go a bit deeper into what this means in practice. When people first hear about Bitcoin wallets, they often think it's just another app you install, like a finance app or a digital banking tool. But a Bitcoin wallet is not just software. It's something much deeper. The app you download is only the interface, what you see on your screen. Behind it, your wallet manages a complex cryptographic system, made of private keys, public keys, and digital signatures. Those keys are your Bitcoin. The wallet doesn't hold coins inside it. It simply holds the proofs that give you access to them on the blockchain. So when you use your wallet, you're not moving coins in a traditional sense. You're creating and signing transactions that tell the Bitcoin network, "I own these coins and I'm sending them here." The blockchain then verifies that statement mathematically. That's why a wallet is so much more than a download. It's the digital gateway to your sovereignty. It represents your ability to control, move, and secure your own money without asking anyone's permission. Understanding this idea is what separates someone who uses Bitcoin from someone who truly owns it. And that brings us to an extremely important topic: security. Security deserves its own space because it's far too delicate to cover in a basic introduction. Bitcoin Basics is all about understanding the core concepts, what keys are, how transactions work, and what true ownership means. In a later series, we'll dive deeper into how to properly protect your wallet, your seed phrase, and your private keys. From backups to hardware wallets and safe recovery. For now, the goal is simply to build a clear foundation, so you know why all of this matters. Disclaimer and transparency. The script is original and handwritten by me. The digital avatar is my personal creation. My content is not financial advice nor investment solicitation. Study and always do your own research before investing.